Guys, currently in Warsaw, Poland. Just left Lithuania, and right now I'm here in Warsaw, Poland. So I'm taking a short walk around where I stay to see how the city look like. I think it's more developed, like it's more developed than the other countries I've been to. It's actually a bigger city, very big city. This is early morning. I just checked out of the hotel where I stay, and I'm trying to check out uh, how this city look like. So I can see some pastry shops, but I need real food, guys. I've been eating real food this time around. I don't want to eat snacks, but I need something like rice, chicken, or whatever. So let's take a stroll and see how beautiful this town look like. Warsaw is actually a big city. Wow, I didn't expect it to be very big like this. It's actually bigger than Riga and Vilnius. Warsaw is a big city. Big city. So guys, let's see if I can get rice and chicken to eat, because I'm very hungry, guys. I'm hungry, guys, and it's actually cold here. It's also cold like Riga. It's actually more colder than Riga. Yesterday we came in, but we had a very bad experience with the apartment we booked. We're not allowed to check in until 3 p.m., guys. So we have to wait all day. Wait till like 3 p.m. We came in this country by 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. We'll have to wait till 3 p.m. before we can check in. So it's really terrible. It was really terrible yesterday. The experience was not a good one, and the whole place was really cold. So the town look like it's really empty here. I can't see many people, but it's actually a very big city, guys. You see? While I'm looking for something to eat, you see all the things I'm seeing here is not rice, but I want rice and chicken, guys. That's only what I want to eat this morning. So I need rice and chicken. So I can get straight to film for you guys. I did not eat much yesterday, so I think I need food right now to get strength to keep working for you guys. Just stick around while I show you this beautiful city of Warsaw, Poland. It's actually a developed city. Very developed. I love it. What do you guys think about this city? What do you guys think? All I'm seeing is pastry shops, or real food. So, man, it's getting cold. Woo. Got a city train, man. I love the way the transportation system here in this country is actually beautiful. You see their city train. I held the transportation system here is actually very, very affordable because they have many of them like this. So it's actually less expensive than other cities in Europe. And again, they don't use euro. They use their own national currency. So, and euro is bigger than it. So it's actually cheaper to spend here because while you are spending euros, it's quite cheap. So I think I like it here because if you exchange 50 euros, you'll be getting 200 Poland money. So it's cheap. It's quite cheap, yeah? It's like a subway. A lot of subways in this place. Whew. I just want to get lost today while exploring the city, Hotel Metropole. Just taking a walk, trying to see how the town looks like in daytime. Like I told you guys, I came in here in the morning yesterday, and I was not allowed to check in my hotel because their policy right here in Poland, check-in is around 3 p.m. and they're so strict with it. They are so strict with that. 3 p.m. and nothing. You cannot check in your room until it's 3 p.m. So I was really destabilized because I couldn't achieve anything yesterday because of that. So guys, today I just have a little time to walk through the streets to see by myself if I can understand the city better this morning. So guys, imagine this morning again, we're asked to leave our rooms for cleaning, and then we have to check back in by 3 again this morning. Guys, it was crazy. I said no. The Nigerian in me woke up. I said no, it's not acceptable by me. You have to clean my room and check me in, or else I wouldn't leave this room. Nobody tell them now. They have to fix it before I left the room right now. You cannot ask me to check out of my room, be in the street for more than 9 hours, guys, before I can check back in. Guys, I can't accept that. Sorry. I will not accept that. So that's what actually happened this morning. Guys, I think I should go. Cut the street from here. If I can't find it. You see, like most of the shops are not open yet. I think it's too early. This is like 12 o'clock afternoon. But many shops are not open. They don't open very early here in this country. Some of them open by 2, 3. I think their day starts by 3 here because there are many shops who are still locked up, as in they are not open yet to the public. So if you live in Poland, tell me when shops here open, because I can see a lot of shops still locked by 12. Wow, it's crazy. So I want to try this. I want to cut off the street. I went through the front. I want to go back to the back and see if I can get it correctly. So stay back, guys, while we still explore this beautiful city called Warsaw, Poland. I'm still exploring. I couldn't see rice, so I ended up eating. So guys, I ended up eating KFC. You know, each country I go to, I like to try out their KFC. Today, I did not see what I supposed to eat, which is rice and chicken that I promised myself. But at least I got chips and I got chicken, and it's KFC, a soft drink, and let's get to it. So I'm still exploring this beautiful place. Honestly, Warsaw is a beautiful town. Look, come on, man. Huh?